AI tools out there at the moment. I've been experimenting with a bunch, and I love this easy app with simple AI for image edit, graphic design, video, animation, layout, all in one place. It's Adobe Express. The tool that combines a little bit of Photoshop, a little bit of InDesign, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, all in one app and super easy to use. By the way, I'm Kate Silver, a designer, content creator, and a top teacher on Skillshare. In this class, we'll cover the 8 key AI tools in Adobe Express powered by Adobe Firefly. First, generate image, remove object, insert object, generate template, generate text effects, generate video, generate similar, and Clipmaker. Convert long videos into short clips with AI captions. I'll walk you through each tool and try them out to show you exactly how they work, helping you decide which ones to use in your own projects. If you're ready to explore the future of design and Adobe Express, then let's get started.